What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Donald Duck. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and go up towards the top of our oval. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going up and around, just tuck that in, and I'll line that up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each pupil, and we'll fill the bottoms in black, going around that highlight. Let's connect the bottom of the eyes with a curve for the top of the beak in the center, going up and then down. Now I'm going to move down just underneath the left eye, add a fold. I'm going to go up in the middle and then bend that back down. Let's move out and draw another curve for the beak. I'm going to go up, across, and then down. Let's round out the side of the beak, going back in. And then we'll bend the mouth, going out and then up along the side. Close off the end with a bracket. Now underneath the eyes, we're going to draw the side of the beak going around the corner of the mouth. Come around, just tuck that in towards the side. Let's go back to the center. We'll draw a V for the tongue, coming down and then up. Now underneath the beak on either side, we're going to bend the mouth, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom with curve. Let's trace the mouth along the outside. So we'll start back on the left, coming in and then down, round at the bottom, and go across. Now on the left side, let's fold the cheek. We're going to come up and then in towards the side, just beside the eyes. Step out to create a fold. We're going to go up above the eye, curve the brow, coming in and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going up above the right eye, and across, and then tucking that in. Now in between the brow, we're going to add some fur. We're going to start on the left, bend this out and up, come back in to create a point. Let's add another one, going out and then down on top of the right brow. Now just above the brow, we're going to draw two lines going up across the side of the hat. Close up the top with a curve, going up and then down. Now let's fill this band in black. On the right side of the band, we're going to draw the hat. We're going to bend this across and up, round this out, come in, and then down. Now we're going to add a fold, so we're going to step back, bend this across and out, round out the hat, and pull that in towards the side of the head. Let's add the ribbon coming down on the left side. So we'll start with a curve, coming around the side. Now I want to add 2 points across the bottom. So we're going to go up and then back down. Now I'm just going to taper the ribbon, going back up in behind the hat. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of that ribbon. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Donald Duck. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.